Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC using a USB cable. First, you'll need a standard micro USB cable, which is commonly used for many electronic devices. Locate the small, rectangular micro USB port on the top edge of your PS4 controller, between the two analog sticks. Then, identify an available USB port on your personal computer, typically found on the front or back of the tower, or on the sides of a laptop. Once you have both ends ready, simply plug the micro USB end into your PS4 controller and the standard USB end into your PC. Your computer should immediately recognize the new hardware. Windows, or your operating system, will then automatically begin installing the necessary drivers in the background. This process usually takes only a few moments, and you'll typically see a notification confirming the successful installation. To confirm your controller is properly connected and ready for use, navigate to your PC's devices and printer settings. You should see an entry labeled Wireless Controller or DualShock 4 appear in the list. For a quick test, you can open a game that supports controllers or use an online controller tester to ensure all buttons and analog sticks are responding correctly. This step ensures everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try plugging your micro USB cable into a different USB port on your PC. Sometimes, certain ports can be finicky. Also, ensure your micro USB cable itself is not damaged by trying another one if available. A quick restart of your computer can often resolve minor recognition problems. Finally, consider updating your PC's USB drivers through Device Manager for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.